Hello students, how are you everyone? Welcome to Dhya Prakashan Academy Maharashtra. I am Sumedha. Today we are learning for subject English and standard 7. So our topic name is homophones. Okay, now pay attention over here. We are starting the lecture. Okay, now see what is the topic name? That is homophones. What is mean by homophones? Anyone have an idea about this? What is homophones? Homophones means what? A word that sound the same. When you say them aloud, but they have a different spelling, different meaning. Okay. If I say right, means that is also a right side. Or right means to right, right, and see this word R-I-T-E, right, and another word is R-I-G-H-T, right. Now see students, both are same in sound, both are same in sound, but different spelling, different meaning. Understood how? See, spelling is completely different, but the sound is same and spelling is also different and their meaning is also different, right? If I say right means what? You have to write in your notebook. If I said, if you give the correct answer, what I will say? Yes, you said right answer. That right is something different and this right is something different. Okay, now understood what are our goals. This is the overview, means a short idea for what? For the understanding of homophones. What we are understanding? We are understanding homophones. What we are understanding? We are learning for homophones. Okay students, now see what is our goal. Goal means what? They help improve spelling, reading and writing. If I say write down students, means what? See, I am telling you something to write. If I say, see, if I say go to school, okay, first, and if I say stand up on the floor, okay, stand up on the floor. If I say stand up on the floor means what? The floor spelling is floor and another is floor. On which floor I am asking you to stand? Now you identify. Am I asking you stand on this floor? Which floor? Or this floor? F-L-O-O-R. Floor means zameen. Right? And this floor means what? See, F-L-O-O-R floor and F-L-O-U-R floor. This floor is a wheat powder. Am I asking you to stand on this? Definitely no. So now if I say you what I have said, you have to write down also. See, I am asking you to come to school first, right? Tomorrow you come and you stand on the floor. I say tell you this activity and write also to write this activity. Okay. Now if you write this one floor, is this right answer? See, is this spelling is correct? You are writing. Okay, you are listening also very well. But you are not able to write a right word. Means what? The meaning will be something different. Okay, what I am telling you and what you will be right, that will be not same. So that's why we have to understand the spelling first, Right? Means what? You have to write first, speak first, and read also. Only you are listening. That is not going to happen, right? Okay. So when simultaneously when the lecture is start, you have to take your notebooks out. Okay, everyone, I will give you 2 minutes. You just take out your notebook. Yes, and try to understand what I am telling. Okay. See, take our book also, which is our publication book. That is I Am Winner book also with you guys. That will be helpful you, and a one rough notebook also with pen and pencil. Okay. If needed, eraser also. See. Now see, if I say stand on the floor, means this word is correct. This one is wrong. Okay. Now see, we will take a different part. See, improve your spelling, writing and reading habits. Okay. Now second one is they make learning English fun and tricky. See, is this tricky to write? Yes, you will find happiness or fun while writing this. If you do practice, you can enjoy that activity. Now see, they are often used to write as jokes and punch. Punch means what? A small joke. Okay. Or write as joke. Okay. Now see students, what are homophones? Homophones are word the sound is same. But when you say them aloud, means what? Aloud means what? Aloudly. Means now I am speaking aloudly, or am I speaking loud? Yes, I am speaking loud with you students. So what will happen? You can understand the difference between spelling, sound and meaning also. Important for you students to understand what is the meaning of that. Now see, word same sound but the different spelling, different meaning. Okay, meaning is also different. Now see how feather is homophone but sound something different. Same pronunciation, they sound alike. Okay, means what? Their spelling is also different, meaning different. Now for example, see how it is. See, 2, 2 and 2. Now see, if I write here 2, 2 and 2. Which 2 is right? This 2 is means 2. A numeric value, right? A numeric. This 2 is numeric number, means this is a number, and this 2 means if I ask to do study, what I make? Sentence using 2, and to this also make 5 questions 2, means what? Additional. That is what? 5 questions are additional. That is what? 2. But study with, I have said study the homework or do the study. Right? This 2 is different and this 2 is something different. Understood? Now see students, for a next, that is what? Homophones. See, homophones are what and how they are used. Now see, the words is different spelling, but their meaning is different. Their spelling is also different. They are not same. Now see how, see, sun, star in the sky, sun, a male child. See, this sun is what? A planet, right, which appears in the daytime. What we call that? A sun. And this sun means what? A male child, right? Spelling is different, meaning different, but sound same. Another, flour and flour. Flour. Flour means what? A powder used to cook, right? Flour. And flower is what? Plant blossom. Blossom means what? In Marathi we call it as a fool or kadi. Okay. Now see, pear and pear. This pear is of two things. This pear is what? A fruit. This is what? A fruit. Now see, sea. See, large body of water. See, to look with your eyes. Sea. Sea means what? A large body of water. You know, when you visit two beaches, what is that? That is a sea. But when I say, see this topic, means what? I am asking you to look at that. Okay. Understand the difference? Yes. Now, see students. Now, W-R-I-T-E, right? And R-I-G-H-T, right? Write to form letters. And write correct or direction. If I say, look at my right hand, this is my right hand. Okay. If in a video maybe it will be look you at the left side, but I am telling you this is my right hand. Okay. And what? I am showing the direction, right? I am showing you the direction. Look at the right side. Okay. And if I say right, means you have to do the action writing. That will be R-I-G-H-T. That is water action done by you students. Understood? This way you have to make the difference. Okay. Now another one is for see students, pay attention over here, everyone is having an attention with me. Yes. Okay, fine. Now see, another one is no. 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 No means what? Opposite of yes. Okay. If I say, are you students sleeping? What you will say? No ma'am, we are not sleeping. We are listening to you. Right? I know you all are listening to me. Yes, because you all are good students. That's why you are paying attention. Now, this no means what? To understood, to be aware. Okay, if I say, do you know student? There is a huge festival in Delhi. For what? A good clothes collection. What I say, do you know? Means do you have aware about this activity? There is a good huge festival for clothes that will be regarding to fashion sale, right? So that is no is different. And if I ask you, are you guys are sleeping? You will say no. See the different spelling, different meaning, but sound same. Understood? Yes. Now see, B-L-E-W, blue, and B-L-U-E, blue. Now see, blue is the color. Everyone knows blue color. Should I show you guys a blue color over here? See, I am showing you. See, which is this color? This color is blue color. And if I say B-L-E-W, blue means what? A pass of blow, means what? A pass of air. From factory outlet we see a one stick. That is what? A factory outlet. For to throwing the unnecessary air from the factory. That is what? that is a blew. Pass of blow, to pass the air. Right? Understood? This way you have to identify and make the difference. Now another one is bear and bear. Means what? Bear, B-E-A-R, bear is what? An animal. A-N-I-M-A-L-E, animal. And bear is what? Without covering. Without covering. You covered something. See, when you go outside, there is a so hot outside, right? What you wear? You wear a cap. Means what? You are covering your head. But BAVL means what? You are not wearing the hat. Means without covering. Okay. Now, next is what? Brake, brake. B-R-A-K-E, brake means what? Stop, every vehicle have a brake. Right? Without a brake, can you run the vehicle? No. You meet an accident if you don't have a good brake. That brake is what? To stop the vehicle. Understood? That brake is used to stop the vehicle. And this B-R-E-A-K, brake, to shutter to rest. See, there is a one factory, okay, and electricity power is cut off. I understood the situation first. Okay, now see, ABC is a factory name. Okay, and that day what happened? On some day what happened? Electricity is shut off, means cut off. What will happen? All the production, all the process will be stopped. Means what? The process is break down. Understood? Means what? Automatically, if there is no electricity, can a company run any type of production? No, of course no. They will make available of a generator, but for a few times that will be stopped. For a few seconds we can consider, right? For a few seconds that production will be stopped. Means what? The breakdown appear. Understood? So what is that? That break, shutter or rest for few seconds. And this is break to stop the vehicle. You cannot use this word to stop the vehicle. Why? Because your vehicle will not stop for a long time. If you press the brake for a second, the brake, your vehicle is stopped within a second. But because of this brake, you cannot stop your vehicle, or simultaneously using this brake, you cannot shut for a factory outlet. Understood? Making the difference with example will make you learn easy. Okay? Now, next is, see, I am telling you next example that is regarding CELL and SELL. Okay. Now this is what? A small room, body cell. See, what we say WBC or RBC are what are they? RBC, WBC are body cells, and CEL means another word is also a small room. See, when you visit to an office, right? This is regarding to something office. Okay, this word is used regarding to office. See, if you go to the bank, you will find a small rooms. Why? They have from upper side they are open, but inside they have make small way. That is what a cell, a cabin, right? You see, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 counters are there, but are they interconnected? No. Yeah, from upper side you see they are interconnected, but from entry level are they connected? No. They have small compartment. That small compartment is called as cell. Okay, understood? That is cell. And SELL to trade or money. Means what? If you sold your old vehicle, means what? You are selling that. Means what you are doing? You are doing a trading for money. If you sell that, what you will get? Automatically you will get the money. That is what? That is trading. That is selling. Understood, students? Yes. Now see, EIGHT 8 and ATE 8. This 8 is a number, a numeric value or number. See, this is meaning something different and this is meaning something different. Now see if I say number 8, see, I say every student should be present in the morning 8 o'clock. Tomorrow 8 o'clock. Means what? I am talking about a number. Understood? In the same way, I say Ram ate an apple yesterday. Means what? I am talking the activity regarding eat that has done by Ram in past. That is what? A past tense. Eat past tense is ate. A-T-E. See, this word is A-T-E. 8. And this is a numeric value. Understood? Now move to next, that is whole and whole. Now see, whole and whole is meaning different. Now see students, pay attention over here. See, H-O-L-E. Whole means an empty space. What is that? Empty space. And this whole is what? Complete. See, both are related to opposite meaning. The spelling is completely different, but their sound is same. If I say this is whole empty and this is wholly complete. See, different meaning and different spelling, but sound is same. Now H-E-A-R here and here. See, this here is to listen. See, now I am talking and you students are listening, right? And this here is the place. Okay. Now KNIGHT is what? A soldier. And this is night. This is a time where the sun is set, sunset time. Okay. That is what? Night. Now see, mail, letter, parcel, letter, parcel. Okay. And this mail is what? A boy or man. A boy or man. Okay. Boy or man. Now see, this is 1 and this is, see, this is a numeric value again. See, 1 and OWN means what? Win in past. Win in past. See, if I say yesterday was an examination. Our team has won. That examination was about football match test. Okay. Examination for what? Examination for fitness. The all classes pass in that. So what I will say? The whole class won yesterday. Right? Now another one is PLAIN plane and PLANE plane. Now see students over here. PLAIN plane is simple. Okay. And PLANE means what? Aircraft. Aircraft means aeroplane. Understood? Now, next is what? That is a PEACE. Peace. And PIECE. Peace. Peace is what? CLAM, calm. And this piece is what? Part of something. Now see, this piece when we use, rest in peace. That is what? In Marathi we call त्यांच्या आत्म्याला शांती लाभो. Okay. But in another is what? Calm down. But that is for calm, not a peace. We cannot say keep peace. Okay. And peace a part of something means what? Is there is a king and this is a PIECE, peace. Understood? Now see, another one is right, 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 WRITE, right. Right means a letter and this is means side, right, side. Now next is sail, that is SAIL, sail. That is to what? To travel by boat. To travel by boat. And sail is selling something, things. Okay. That is SALE, sail. Another is what? SIGHT, sight and sight. Ability to see. Sight is means see. A building site. Okay. That is what? A construction site. That is sight. And SIGHT means what? Ability to see. You are looking at this video means what? You have an ability to see. Okay. Now see, sun, male child and star in the sky. Okay. Stare, stress means what? Look hard. Stare means, see, if you go outside, someone is continuously looking at you and you are getting bother of that. That is what? That staring is what? Bothering. Looking someone so hardly. See, if they are not in a bad intention, but you feel uncomfortable. That is what? Staring. Okay. And other is stare. To control direction. See, everyone know four-wheeler car. There is a stair. That is why that is used to control the direction. If you lose the control, what will happen? You will go to the wrong side, or maybe accident can happen. So what is that? That stair is to control the direction. Understood? This stair and this stair is completely different. Now another is TAIL, tail, and TALE, tail. Tail, that is an animal's part. Everyone know? A rare part of an animal, a cat, dog have a tail. And other is tail, TALE, tail. And if I am telling you something about interesting, that what I am telling you, right? Now other is THEIR, there. Okay. Now belong to them. There means a place. They are means they are. This is a shortcut of they are. Shortcut is they are. Okay. They are shortcut is they are. You cut it a and you can do an apostrophe and write a ear. Okay. Now students, next is 2, 2 and 2. This is what? 2, 2 and 2. This 2 is and this C. See over here, I have explained. You just pay attention. Once again students, I am cleaning my blackboard. See, 2 means to preparation. 2 means also, and TWO2 means a number 2. Okay, now see, week means not strong, and this week means what? A week. Week means of 7 days. But this week is of 7 days. Understood? Now the MCQ part has started. This is our favorite part. Now pay attention. How to solve MCQ. Okay. Pay attention students. Look at the question first. Read it carefully and then try to solve. Now see, MCQ is what? They went to the store to buy a pear. This is PALE, pale. Okay. Which one is the correct option? Option 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which option is right? Option is PAIR, pear. The egg fell and one of them broke. Which one is right? BREAK. Break is the right option. She wore a dash dress to party. Now see, plain. Which is the correct option? PLANE, plain. Okay. Now he want to dash a new story. Right. Which right is right? WRIT is right for right. Okay, I'm showing over here. This right is right option. Don't write other right. Okay, the answer will be wrong. See, the children were playing by C. Option is C. I know the answer. Do you? No, none. Option is KNOW, no. Now see, there was a big dash in the wall. Hole, hell, heel. Answer is HOLE, hole. I ate 1 apple and she ate 2. Which 8 is right? 88 is right. Now we had a piece of pizza. Now which piece is right? This piece is right. Now, otherwise you will write piece. That is which is in rest in peace. See, this is for the homework. Now students, you take a screenshot of it. Quickly take a screenshot. Quickly take a screenshot of this. I'm waiting for a second. You guys take a screenshot. Done? Done? Okay. Now, next, take this one also as a screenshot. Take student screenshot. Done? Okay. Now you have to practice this and have fun while learning. Thank you so much. Keep practicing and enjoy the sessions. Thank you.